Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing perfectly fine. Today I share with you this simple homemade tomato ketchup with you all. Very easy to put together and with few ingredients. You are also going to have your own homemade tomato ketchup recipe. If you are new to my channel, hello, this is Cooking with Efia. Please do well to subscribe and be part of this beautiful family. Let's get started. For this tomato ketchup recipe, obviously we're going to need our tomatoes, and I'm using about 7 to 8 medium-sized fresh tomatoes. You can use any amount that you have, okay? All right, so moving forward, I'm also going to be chopping my fresh tomatoes into smaller sizes. You can omit this process if you don't want to, okay? You can deseed it as well if you want, but I choose to have the seeds inside because it will really make the ketchup very thick as well, okay? So now let's chop and set it aside. All right, so while that is going on, let me use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you for always liking my videos, sharing and commenting on my videos. Fam, I am very grateful. And please do well to subscribe if you haven't done that yet. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so after chopping the tomatoes very nicely, I will transfer this into my cooking pot. And after that, I'll add some water to it. Add in enough water to cook it very well, okay? And don't worry, I'm going to be listing everything I use in the description box for you to check it out. Alright, so moving forward, I'm going to be cooking this on low medium heat for about 10 to 15 minutes until it is nice and ready or soft, just like this. So I'm going to turn off the flame and I'm going to strain the water from the tomatoes very nicely. Alright, so after straining the tomatoes, I'm not going to throw the water away. I will be using it for something else, okay? So next I'm going to be blending the tomatoes, and I'll blend until I get a very smooth paste. But to also make sure you have a very smooth paste, you need to strain your tomato sauce, okay? So that's what you see me doing. I'm straining to get a very smooth paste. Alright, so if you haven't turned on the post notification bell, what are you waiting for? Please do well to turn it on so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. And please do well to subscribe, like this video, and please do share as well. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so after straining to get a very smooth paste like this, I will put it on my stove top and I will start by cooking it as well. So next I'll go in with some sugar. As I said, I'm going to be listing everything I use in the description box for you to check it out, okay? I'll also go in with some salt to taste. The salt is always to your taste. I'll stir everything well and allow it to cook on low medium heat for about 3 to 5 minutes. Alright, so we are back to check on our sauce for about 5 minutes now. The tomato sauce is looking all good and perfect, as you can see, but it's a little bit runny, so I'll allow it to cook again for about 5 minutes on low medium heat, and afterwards I'll go in with the rest of my ingredients. And this is after extra 5 minutes of cooking it. It is done. So I'll go in with some white vinegar as preservative, okay? You can as well use any vinegar of your choice. Next, I'm going to be adding in some powdered pepper just to give the sauce a little bit of heat. You can omit it if you don't want to, okay? Stir everything beautifully, and I'll add in some thickener, which is the water I strained from the tomatoes, and I've mixed it a little bit with some cornstarch, which will help the tomato sauce thicken up beautifully. I will stir and allow it to cook on low medium heat for approximately 5 to 10 minutes. Alright, so at this point the sauce is almost done, but to give it that reddish color, I'll go in with some red food color. You can omit this process if you don't want to, okay? I will stir everything beautifully, and this is the beautiful outcome. The ketchup looks so good and I love how it turned out, okay? And so to make it more thick, you just have to allow it to cool down completely, and after it is done, I'll transfer it into my airtight container. You can use any airtight container of your choice. Fam, let me know in the comment section what you think about this homemade tomato ketchup recipe. It came out so good, and trust me, this recipe is a must try. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed till this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Do subscribe to my channel and be part of this beautiful family. Thank you for watching.